So today we're going to be doing a sr50 rear wheel swap. So it's going to be going from a 10 to a 13. And yeah, start, swap. So let's do it. Oh, I got enough. Sick. There's cool. Wrong size. Don't do this. Oh. A ratchet. I doubt it'll work. Nope. So I'm gonna go grab an impact. Alright, so I'm not being lazy anymore. Put on 3. Oh my god, would you look at that? That came off. Make sure you got something under it or a center stand because this will fall. But oh my god, would you look at that? Brand new stage 6 brakes. Wow. And you can get this rear hub adapter. Let me show you how this thing works. Grab those 2 shims. I'm gonna push this shim back, and this shim, and that shim. So there's 3 shims. I'd assume it's like that. If not, we'll find out. And you put it onto here. What is it hitting? Oh, because I have these all the way in. Make sure these are out. Hopefully this will work, because I'm looking at this like it might not. Doesn't know what the fuck that means. Oh, fuck me. Shit. That will not work. So, yeah, I kind of screwed up on this one. I'm going to be getting a different sr50 rear wheel that will bolt to this and through this. I'm thinking of like ways to like just chop it off and be flush to flush. Just like mount it through the back. But it's going to be too much more than I want to do. Get the right wheel, go from there. You live and learn, but we're gonna go right to the front. All right, so since that didn't work, I'm gonna take these 2 shims off. Bolt. Right back on, no big deal. Say these are gonna be 10s. Cool. Those are really long. So I have a NCY front end on my bike, obviously. And then stock rotor doesn't fit. Stock one is 190. Just like this. So I bought the same rotor because I thought this NCY rotor from Zuma was a 190, 200. Obviously doesn't fit. It's 4. So they changed the website to a 200. So these are 200, not a 190. So I got a Honda Dio front rotor, which is pretty cool. Should it's perfect. There's the new Honda Dio rotor. Now I gotta pop these bearings out and smack in the other wheel bearings. So I'm gonna knock these out, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna put the other one.